Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're here with me, Sinead. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got my heatless ginger curls to be popping. So essentially what I did was I washed my hair and I made sure that I applied an ample amount of leave-in conditioner and all the other necessary moisturizing products. I then went round flat twisting all of my hair every inch from root to tip to make sure that basically I had a nice curl pattern that would be achieved. Today is actually the day that I actually got around to taking my hair out. I left them in for about a week. It really wasn't because I wanted to, it's just because I didn't have the time to actually take them out beforehand. But you could essentially do this overnight or maybe even a couple of nights and the results should be near enough the same. But I left mine in for about 5 nights and this is what it looked like for half the hair being taken out. This is the final results. Yes, watch your girl get it, watch your girl get it. I really loved how it turned out. I think it looks really cute and really nice and it was essentially really easy to do. I would always recommend that if you are going to do this style that you do it on fresh clean hair because you'll get the best results, to making sure that you do it on a wash day and then just kind of leaving it in and sleeping with it overnight. But yeah, I love it. I wonder if you know, do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow and you got me staring out the window. We were showing the stars outside. What's the reason why?